Hello friends, hope you all are fine. Welcome to my channel. Today is a very special day. Today is the birthday of the hockey player Dhyan Chand, and he was a very famous hockey player. Today is Fitness Day. Our Prime Minister has declared this day as Fitness Day, and from today onwards, he has asked the Indians to follow some fitness rules, some fitness tips, and to lead a healthy life, to take good food, and to have good exercises in daily life so that we can be healthy. And on this day, I thought I'll give you some information regarding a very nutritious fruit, that is strawberry. As you all know, strawberry is not a very common fruit in tropical areas, in our areas, but these days with some good environment, like creating some artificial environment here, the growth of strawberry is now attended, and all the horticulture, agriculture departments and their by their inspiration, farmers are trying to grow this fruit. So this is a very nice fruit to look also. Red, fleshy and juicy fruit, and you can take this fruit fresh. This fruit is used for flavoring milk, milkshake, then with ice cream, then smoothies. You can take this fruit, and there are lots of nutrition in this fruit. Though this many fruits, like many other fruits, this fruit also contain some carbohydrates, protein and fat, though in minimal amount. The main nutrition in this fruit are vitamin, all sorts of vitamin, almost all sorts of vitamin, like vitamin B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, folic acid, vitamin C, E, and K. Vitamin E and K are not found usually in many fruits, so this is a very uncommon thing. And vitamin E is a good antioxidant. Okay, and vitamin C also is a good antioxidant. Other vitamin B are also there, and minerals like calcium, magnesium, manganese, phosphorus, sodium, potassium, fluoride. All these minerals are found in strawberry. So from the next time, whenever you meet some boy or someone selling strawberry in the signal, try to get it. And if you are shopping, you are going to big bazaar or some other shopping mall, try to get strawberry, and you can have fresh. You can add this as flavoring agent in ice cream or milk or any milkshake like things. And so have strawberry, be healthy and stay fit. Thank you for watching this video, and subscribe my channel.